this is Isabel. Today is going to show you how I set up this in Disguise. And first, you open the stage, and then you can control how many people you want to show in these things. And we're going to create a LED screen, which is our full HD monitor we are going to output to. Now enter the resolution Full HD. For the scale, going to put in an actual physical size. So my screen is around 1 meter and around like half meter height. Okay, and then you can scroll the offset to put it in the location in this 3D visualization. Right click, enter the new layer name, equal to test, and then choose the test pattern type. Going to mapping, we're going to create a 2D mapping. Choose the direct, and then put in the resolution again. Here we choose the screen we just create, and you can click F. It's a shortcut to focus to that object. And right click, split the session. So this is going to split the session on a timeline to create different queue. Create another one, a video layer. Put the media content we are going to use now is this MOV file. Right click, you can see all the information here. The format for this video is HAP, HAP. You can see in the description. And then I don't want this content start from the 0 frame. I want to start a little bit late to get rid of the blurry opening here. Okay, cool. Split again. So just check. Okay, now it's good. So this loop will just loop this queue, this session. So that's why we need to split the section we need. Cool. And create a new layer on it to get more flavor on it. This time I'm going to choose this light. And blend mode, it's just like the blend mode in Photoshop or anything like that. And then you can also tweak some value in the color shift. Now we are going to create another layer, a RGB one, the solid color, just for fun. And I want this to be a little bit flashy effect, so to make it black first, and then to make it more subtle, I'm going to choose the hard light blend mode. Click on that icon, look like a clock. You can enter the keyframing timeline, and you just click and you just create your key, and then hold shift and drag and right click. You can repeat all the keyframe, so you don't need to click one by one. Let's see. Yep, that is what I'm going to play with today. Quite nice. Right click. We can also add a crossfade, fade, like how long we're going to fade and from start and end to add some. Now we're going to output to our monitor. Click Alt and drag to assign to